Hey yo, what up guys? It's your boy Loco. We back again. Jongani man. Umkhulu unsurprise lapha. Uthi masenze business. Yabo. Let's make your dream come true local. So, here's a t-shirt, Mthatha Mchana podcast available here at Soft Touch Barbershop. Yabo. Nize guys, can you finish orders apha if size yakho ayiyo le lizoshi order yakho apha namhlanje or that day unayo noba ngemonth end noba kunini yabo just $300 guys, $300 usifumanele yomthatha mchana t-shirt. Support. This is not for me, this is for you, this is for Mthatha. We love you.